keep going. Keep playing, keep running. Move bench, go. I keep running. But now we have to play little bit with more quality. Step by step, possession by possession. Okay? Find our team. But sure, play tough. Play tough. But now, okay, we have to find the play our thing. We want to play our things. Vale? And now the key is to look at the rebound. Is go to the rebound. Nice. Yes, let's go. ¿Vale? Sí, esto es lo que tenemos que mejorar ahora. Hey, fight! They are shooting 1 meter. We are giving 1 meter. They are shooting. No, this is not the way. We change it. Come on, fight. Win this ball. Doesn't matter, run. And be ready, and everybody defense together. Okay, you got it, see? To side. Another. We got it? And brave. After this, doesn't matter, score, run. And we have to pay these millions with our 100%.